Hello, friends, and welcome back. So, I'm finally able to share our newest subscription. So, last month, let me just quickly tell you what happened. Last month, I had no openings. So, kind of had to sit down and decide where I wanted to go with this because I know a lot of people were getting upset that we didn't have enough openings and people wanted to get to the subscription. So I didn't even do a reveal last month because I didn't want anybody to want to be able to join and then there not being any spots available for them. So, but this month, what we did is we went through and we figured out how many more we could take on. And I've opened up a bunch of new spots. So hopefully, if you're watching this and you're interested in joining the subscription service, this month is the month to do it. So once it fills up though, I think then we're pretty much done. Because I just, to get any higher of an amount, I would need to either outsource my stickers, which I don't have anywhere to do that, or get some type of an industrial machine, which I really can't afford right now. So those are the two options that I have to go any higher. And it is something that I could revisit later if I sell out again. But I feel like this number is a good number. I think this number that I'm changing it to will be enough for everybody who wants to join. And then always remember too, that I always release like mini kits and A5 and standard vertical in weeks. Now we have the new florals kits and some digital stuff after this is shipped. So once everybody gets their subscription, then I kind of open up all the other things. So there is, if you love one of the artworks, you have the opportunity to pick it up, not just as a subscription. Although I do know, I get it. I do get it. So let's start with my favorite thing ever, which is the vellum. So this one's called Chapters, and this vellum just got here today, so I was finally able to do the video. I'm going to put it on a white background so that you can see it. And so obviously this is called Chapters. So it has everything to do with bookshops, book cafes, places like Barnes and Noble, stuff like that. My kids and I spend a lot of time there at places like that, the library. We go to a lot of different spots like that when they were kids. And then as adults, my daughter and I spend a ridiculous amount of time at Barnes and Noble. And we have another one called the Well-Read Moose up here that we go to. So we've got quite a few smaller bookshops that we like to hang out at as well. Words are hard today. It's early, very early for me. I have somebody coming by to do an estimate. So I'm trying to do this before they get here and the dogs lose their minds. So you can see the aesthetic here, a lot of paper, a lot of pen, a lot of journaling, a lot of bookstores. And there's only one rainy element. This is my favorite thing right now. I love these little rainy elements in my stories. So these are very much like all inspired by that. So this is vellum number 1. I did something also a little bit different with this one, which was to make it so that you can side by side it. So you could cut it down the middle and use it as 2 pieces rather than 1. I know people were having a hard time figuring out what to do when the image is in the middle. I'm testing things out. I'm not great at the collaging big pieces like this, but I will continue to work on it and hopefully be able to give you what you're looking for. But I do know that people really like the vellums. And then this is the second one. I didn't do that with this one because, well, come on. Look how absolutely stunning this is. It is so beautiful. The colors are so beautiful. And let me tell you again, I did a little poll on my Facebook group. So I know there's a lot of people in here that watch this that aren't a part of the Facebook group. And they didn't care about seasons or any of that kind of stuff. They just wanted me to do what I wanted to do when I wanted to do it, and they had no need for me to do anything that was season specific. So no, this isn't spring. It's more kind of fallish, I would think, if you were going color wise. But I also feel like this is one of those kits where you can do it pretty much anytime. So this is a good anytime kit. So beautiful, absolutely stunningly beautiful. And yeah, I just don't really, I'm not a big spring person. I don't know. It's hard for me. It's hard for me to explain, but I'm not a huge spring like colors kind of a person. I'm obviously a fall and a winter, but I have a really hard time designing spring kits. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, I'm going to zoom you in so we don't have to pick everything up, and we'll start with the cards. So this is one of your soft touch cards, which is very, very up close. So this ships the first week in March, and it is for the month of April. Then you have this one, and we have all of the information on the back. Can you tell which my favorite images are here that I've used about 100 times? This is part of the little mini bag that comes in your subscription, so you can see kind of everything that's in here. Here is the April headers. and your April vinyl. It's just so dang pretty. It's so pretty. She's sitting inside of the book cafe. There's that. Okay, so then we have our one of my favorite poses right now is somebody walking away with, and she's walking to the bookstore with it raining. I'm also I love rain and snow. So I'm just like a weird anomaly. So that's that. Then we have, just peeking out the window to make sure that he's not here. This is the monthly page. This is totally out of order, so I have no idea what I'm flipping to each time, but this is your monthly page. These are the larger sections, larger collage pieces that you can use like on full pages, you know, wherever, decorate whatever, dashboards, wherever you want. But my favorite right here. So this is my husband is always reading or playing games or doing something with Raina. He's absolutely amazing. And it just reminded me of that. So I had to have something like that. And yep, he's great. He's great too. Then you have your florals page, which, yes, I will be doing a florals kit for this. So keep an eye out for that later on. And that's available to everybody. It has nothing to do with the subscription, but if you like the florals in here, there will be a 4-page floral kit that will come. Here are all of your quotes and a couple of deco pieces. I'm showing you this in matte, but as always, it is available in washi as well. And there are some washi pages in here that come in the matte kit. So you'll see both sections. And then this always comes as matte in both washi and matte kits. So here is the mini stuff. This is one of my favorite pages. I really love using this on the monthly because I like putting like a lot of decoration on my monthly page. And I also use this in my weeks to decorate my weeks. Obviously that's kind of the size for it is more like the week stuff. And then these, oh, I love these. Then you have your paint page. That's what I call it, the paint page. This one is nice little vertical. You've got some collages, and then I got a little frame here. And no, the middle is not cut out, but it is a good place to write if you have a mat. Actually, you can write on the washi as well if you're using a gel pen. I write on my washi all the time using gel pen. Then this one here is just more of like deco. I have them all named in my actual file, but I don't name them on here. But this is number 5, so it's deco page number 5, which gives you an idea of how much deco there is in these. So these go pretty far. You're gonna have this for a bit. And it's not for everyone. Like I said, this is a very large kit. So if you don't like to hoard stickers and use them over and over again, or use them for an entire month, then the subscription is probably not for you. But if you love the artwork, like I said, the mini kit is probably for you because that's only 8 pages. And you get like a lot of the best in the mini kits. So more deco and a large corner floral, which I am totally in love with the large corner florals. That's a hard word. You'll see that coming up again, the larger ones. This is washi strips. I am going to make a change to this next month, so you'll get an idea. I'll tell you right now, this month it's going to be still strips, but next month I was thinking that I would do half of it strips and the other half like torn edges, because I love the patterns and I love to be able to put the torn edges behind things when I'm doing collage work. So I thought that would be a pretty cool thing to do. So that's next month though, not this month. Then you have your background pieces. So let me grab this so you can see the colors will pop for that one. So these are just collage elements and they're on washi so that they just kind of blend into the page and making it a lot easier for you to put stuff on top of them. Since there's a couple of washi sheets, this is a full washi page. So you can rip it, tear it, cut it down, use it as a full if you wanted to just like make a dashboard or something like that. You've got that. This one is your boxes. So there's 6 boxes here, and again, you can cut it, you can rip it, you can do whatever it is you want with it. One of the girls in the Facebook group, she cuts it right down the middle, uses it as a sidebar, takes one of these, puts it at the bottom, and then it fits her A5 perfectly. So I tried it the other day, and yes, chef's kiss, it is perfect fit. Absolutely love it, and it makes a beautiful sidebar. You've got that one. Then you've got your April functional page. So you've got your Hello April, chapter 4, all of the days of the week for the month of April, numbers, and then a couple little extras with Easter is in there, goals to do this week, appointments, that kind of stuff. And that is, again, going to come on only washi. Then let me show you the last washi sheet. So these are your sidebar strips. So if you don't want to use the boxes or you want more sidebar stuff, you've got 3 more options here. And then there's a whole nother set of these 3 more options in the functional kit. So there is a functional that goes with this as well. Here's the large, 2 more of the bigger corners, which love them, and then some smaller deco in the middle, and then your collage and stamp page. So you've got your film strip here, and then you've got, these are 4 different stamps. Yeah, so that, my friends, is the kit. So hopefully this one is one that you love. You don't mind the fact that it's kind of fall colors and not exactly a spring themed kit. I will try to do something kind of springish for next month, but where I live, it's just getting winter. As a matter of fact, it just snowed basically for almost the first time this year up here. So yeah, I'm just not in the spring vibes right now. And so designing things that are all bright and flowery and pink and whatever is just not on my to-do list. So yeah, and I'm very much a creature of needing to be inspired by what I'm doing. So otherwise it comes out horrible. So this is my vibe. I spend a lot of time at the bookstore. And so I thought that this would be a really good one for you guys. So hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate it. These go live on the 23rd of March, which is coming up very, very soon at noon Pacific Standard Time. So if this is something you want, links are down below for the subscription. You can just go there on the 23rd at noon and sign up. If they sold out, I'm sorry. I'm doing as much as I can, and I hope that they won't sell out right away. I mean, ultimately, I hope that they'll sell out, but I hope they don't sell out until everybody who wants one is able to sign up. So anyways, that's it. I'll stop rambling. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.